your clothes, a cooking queen. E is for blender, whirring fast, mix your smoothies in a blast. C is for cooker, pressure tight, cooks your meal just right. D is for dish, round and wide, hold your curry with pride inside. E is for egg and beater, spin and swirl, beats up batter with a twirl. F is for frying pan, sizzling hot, fries your food right on the spot. G is for grater, sharp and quick, shreds the cheese with every flick. H is for hot pot, warm around, keeps the food safe and sound. I is for ice tray, frozen square, makes cool cubes from water and air. J is for jug, tall and neat, pours your juice, oh water sweets. K is for knife, sharp and thin, slices veggies with a grin. L is for ladle, long and deep, serves your soup in a one big sweep. M is for measuring cup, just the size for baking cakes and making pies. N is for napkin, soft and white, wipe your hands, feels just right. O is for oven, baking heat, makes your cookies crisp and sweet. P is for peeler, strip and slide, kills our skin with skill and pride. Q is for quiche pan, round below, makes your pies with golden glow. R is for rolling pin, roll and flap, makes your dough smooth like that. S is for spatula, flip and fry, turns your pancake in the sky. T is for tongs, grip so tight, hold your fruit just right. U is for utensils, tools you use, spoons and forks you always choose. V is for jiffable basket, fresh and clean, holds your creams like a dream. W and U's, WT, then U is for whisk, swirl and spin, mixes batter nice and thin. X is for xylon screw, a foam wooden name, a wooden spoon that plays the game. Y is for yogurt, jar creamy and sweet, keeps your dessert fresh to eat. Z is for zester, zest away, add some citrus to